partnership. Okay. Now, I will be talking about the accounting side. When it comes to the legal aspects, you will be having your law assessment. But, ano yung basis natin? Bonus. Bakit? Kapag sinabi natin bonus method, agreed capital should be equal to their contributed capital. That's the total. Okay. So, what is the total contributed capital? 650 plus 3,700,000. Total is equal to how much? 4,350,000. So, whatever agreed capital they have, it still should be equal to 4,350,000.
Calamba Review Center, Laguna is offering online CPA review. Applicable ito for October 2020 and May 2021 CPA board exams. As you can see sa video, yung CPA reviewer is not speaking alone. Meron siyang audience. Nagle-lecture siya in front of CPA reviewees. Actual lecture siya in front of CPA reviewees. So, as if na nakaupo ka sa classroom and yung prof mo nagle-lecture, nagsosolve siya sa board, and ikaw naman may hawak kang handouts ni LCRC, nagsusulat at nagte-take down ng notes. The quality of video and audio na pinakita namin dito is different from LCRC's online CPA review. Mas malinaw ang audio and video ng sa LCRC. For more information about LCRC's online CPA review, pakibasa na lang ng nakalagay sa description box below. Number 10. The partnership agreement provides for an annual salary of 30,000 to C and 20,000 to Q, with the resultant net income or loss to be divided equally. So kanina, provision for interest on capital balances. Ngayon naman, provision for annual salary allowances to partners. So, kukumpitin natin yung share ni C and Q sa net income na 60,000 based on case number 10. Okay, kumpitin. So, tutuloy natin yung ginagawa natin kanina. So, kanina nasa number 9 na tayo. Ito, ngayon number 10 na. Okay, ang net income ay 60,000 pesos. Okay. Dito pa din yung C, Q, total. Then, lagay natin yung salaries. Okay, ang salaries ay 30,000 to C. So, 30,000 to C and 20,000 to partner Q. So, 30,000 kay C, 20,000 kay Q. Therefore, total is 50,000 pesos. Okay. The resultant net income or loss to be divided equally. So, yung residual or yung balance to be divided equally. So, 50-50. Then, totals. So, kung ang net income ay 60,000, therefore, yung balancing figure ay 10. And 50-50. So, tig 5,000 si C and Q. Total share ng partner C is 35,000. 25,000 kay partner Q. Okay, to record yung division of profit to partners, debit, income, summary, 60,000, credit, C, drawings 35,000, credit to drawings 25,000 pesos. Discussion about provision for salary allowances to partners. So ito, additional information. Salary allowances. Bakit nga ba may mga provision pa for salary allowances in distributing the net income of partnership to partners? Una ay to achieve fair division of income based on the time and talents devoted to the business. So remember, hindi lang naman capital contribution yung pwede mong dalhin sa partnership. Pwede ka rin mag-contribute ng time and talents sa business. And syempre, hindi naman mag-ooperate ang business kung walang someone na nagde-devote ng time, ng service, and talent sa business. So, kaya merong provision for salary allowances is para dun sa mga partners na nagde-devote ng time and talent sa business. So, most likely, the more time and the more talent or service na nade-devote yung partners sa partnership, the more na makaka-receive siya ng salary allowances. Kasi, mas madami siyang time na dinedevote sa partnership compared sa ibang partners. Kaya, naglalagay sila ng provision for salary allowances. And, kung merong provision for salary allowances, so mas ma-encourage yung mga partners ng partnership nang mag-devote ng time and talent sa business. Salaries are not expenses in determination of net income. So, katulad kanina ng interest on capital balances, yung provision for salary allowances is hindi rin yan yung typical na salaries expense na nakikita natin sa income statement. Yan lang ay tool to achieve fair division of income based sa time and talents devoted to business. And isa pa, yung salaries na tool to achieve fair division of profit is hindi expense. Kasi yung salaries na yan ay binibigay sa partners. Remember, ang salaries expense, kaya ang business ay nagkakaroon ng salaries expense kasi yan ay pasweldo nila sa mga empleyado nila. Mga empleyado na under ng employer-employee relationship. Binibigyan natin sila ng sweldo for the services na binibigay ng mga empleyado sa atin. Kaya salaries expense. And yung mga partners ng partnership is hindi naman yan empleyado ng business. Kaya hindi salaries expense ang record for provision for salary allowances ng partners. Yung salaries na binibigay sa partners is para lang for fair division of net income and hindi naman sila empleyado ng business. Sila ay may-ari ng business. Kaya hindi expense yung salaries. And salary allocation must be made even though profit is inadequate or there is loss. So pag silent ang problem, salary allocation must be made. Whether profit or loss or inadequate yung profit. Meaning, pag inadequate yung profit, hindi enough yung amount ng profit para makompensate yung salary allocation to partners. And kahit inadequate yan, or inadequate yung profit, salary allocation must be made. Number 11, assume that the partnership operation results at a loss of 20,000. The partnership agreement provides for an annual salary of 30,000 to C and 20,000 to Chu with the resultant net income or loss to be divided equally. So number 11, okay, net loss, 20,000. Remember, salary allocation must be made even though profit is inadequate. So, hindi sapat yung profit, actually loss nga siya eh. Hindi sapat yung loss para i-compensate yung salaries to partners. And since silent yung problem about sa mga ganong scenario wherein loss yung operations, still, salary allocation must be made. So, net loss, lagay natin dito. Net loss ay 20,000. We have C, Q total, salaries. Annual salaries ay 30,000 kay C, 20,000 kay Q, 50,000 total. Then, yung balance, totals. So, net loss siya na 20,000. Ngayon, ang balancing figure nito is kailangan natin maglagay dito ng 70,000. And ang sabi, ang balance or with the resultant net income or loss to be divided equally. So, 50-50 sa balance na negative 70. So, negative 35 kay C, negative 35 kay Q. Ganyan siya. So, share ni C sa net loss is 5,000. Share ni Q sa net loss is 15,000. Okay, kapag silent ang problem sa loss, still, salary allocation must be made unless merong stipulation ang partnership sa profit distribution in case na loss yung operations. So, to record yung number 11, so, i-record natin yung division of net loss. Debit, C, drawings, 5,000, credit Q drawings 15, credit income summary 20,000 pesos. Number 12, assume that the partnership operation results to a profit of 30,000 pesos. Okay. The partnership agreement provides that salaries are allowed to the extent of earnings only. Then no salaries are allowed when a loss occurs. Okay, so ito na-mention na ang salaries ay allowed lang to the extent of earnings only. Then, kapag naman loss, wala nang salary allowances ang partners. The partnership agreement provides for an annual salary of 24,000 to C and 36,000 to Q. Okay. Since merong stipulation na salaries are allowed to the extent of earnings only, meaning nakadepende sa kung gaano kalaki ang net income ng partner para magkaroon ng salary allowances yung partner. Since may stipulation na salaries are allowed to the extent of earnings only, meaning merong dapat certain level ng net income ang partnership para ma-provide sa partners yung salaries allowance. Okay. Number 12. So, para ma-determine natin yung kung mapoprovide ba yung full amount ng salaries to partners, is kailangan ma-determine muna natin yung total salary ng partners. So, kay C is 24,000 annual salary niya, and kay Chu is 36,000. Total annual salary nilang dalawa is 60,000 pesos. And ang net income ng partnership is 30,000. Okay, salaries are allowed to the extent of earnings only. Okay, 60,000 ang total salary ng partners, 30,000 lang yung net income. So, ibig sabihin, hindi enough or inadequate yung 30,000 net income para ma-provide yung salary in full amount. Kasi ang sabi, salaries are allowed to the extent of earnings only. Meaning, para ma-provide natin yung full amount ng salaries, is dapat at least 60,000 above. Dahil kapag ang net income ng partnership ay 60,000 and above, mapoprovide natin yung salaries in full amount. But since salaries are allowed to the extent of earnings only and 30,000 lang yung net income, hindi natin mapoprovide yung full amount ng salaries to partners. Kaya ang mangyayari dyan is prorated siya. Wherein kay C, so ang net income is 30,000, prorated na yung kanyang salary allowances, which is 24,000 over 60,000. And yung kay Chu, net income 30,000 times 36,000 divided by 60,000 pesos. So, 30,000 times 24 divided by 60 ay 12,000. 30 times 36 divided by 60 is 18,000. Net income ay 30,000. To record yung share nila sa net income, debit, income, summary, 30,000, credit, C, drawings, and Chu drawing na 12,000 and 18,000. Okay, tapos na ang case number 12. Okay, number 13. Assume that the partnership of C and Chu has a net income of 190,200 before salaries, interest, and bonus to partners. The partnership contract provides the following. Okay. Medyo madami-dami to. May multiple bases na in division of net income to partners. So, halo-halo na siya. Merong salaries, may interest, and meron pang bonus. And yung natira, remaining profit or loss after salaries, interest, and bonus is equally. So, kung may residual pa after salaries, interest, and bonus, paghahati-hatian na lang ng partners equally.